Welcome to task 6. So in the last couple of tasks, we really learned how to build our assets. We learned about text and color styles. We learned about the interface, and then you should have gone and built your own page. So in this particular task, we're just going to learn a little bit about smart selection. This is just a feature that Figma has. It's really nice if you're trying to automate your process even more. It's a little bit it's a more advanced tool, but just really nice to know that it's there so that you can use it. So smart selection is just a way to sort of like swap images or change the spacing in between elements without having to like manually do it. So um, the way that it works is you just have to click on a group of objects. So let's start with how do we swap different objects if we want to like maybe change where they are. So what you do is you just like select an object, select two objects. We're going to select these two objects, and smart selection is activated when you see these kind of like pink signs, these little pink dots. And really what you're going to do is oh, sorry, my bad. Really what you're going to do is you're going to click on that pink dot and you're going to move it into this one. And you can see here that smart selection actually swap to those two things. And you can do it with like any element. You can do it with images, you can do it with a product card, whatever you want. And then another cool thing that smart selection does is actually change the spacing of objects. So similarly, we're going to click on all of these objects, and you can see here that I have this tiny pink line and it says 16, and I can go in and I can change the spacing of this. And the reason that I'm showing you this is just because it's just creates consistency. It makes your design look a little bit more professional. It aligns everything correctly. And so it also just makes your workflow faster. So pause the video, play around with the swapping images or swapping image cards, and you can use this in your own design as well if you want to kind of play around in the dashboard that you made earlier. Yeah, just pause the video and have a little bit of fun with smart selection.